Hello friends, welcome to my channel UGC Revision and Notes. Today we'll solve a problem from operating systems. That is, a computer tape has 6 tape drives with n processes competing for them. Each process may need 2 drives. What is the maximum value of n for a system to be deadlock free? So options given us 5, 4 and 3 and 6. So let us see how to solve this problem. So here, see the maximum resources they are given is 6. So for 6 resources, the how many amount of process are required so that it is deadlock free. So write the process, and then the maximum requirement here is 2. So each process requires two resources. So suppose we allocate 1 for all the resources and we take 5 processes. So we have a remaining one will be available. So one resource will be available. So for that resource, we can give it to the first process. So because it has a remaining requirement of 1. So when you give it to the first process, then it's that first process will be completed. So it has got the maximum requirement of 2, and this process will execute completely. So and it will release its resources. So it will release one resource, and it will be 2, availability will be 2. Similarly, provide that for the second process, and then it will release 1, so it will be 3. Again, we will put it in the third process. It will add the one resource, and then give it to the fourth process. Then the availability will be after fourth process completed, availability will be 4, and then fifth process completed, then the availability will be 5, and when all the process for 5 process completed means availability will be 6. So we see that in this process we find that the maximum requirement is 2. So in this question it is 2. So based on the maximum requirement, we have to allot the values for the installed for the process or resource for the processes. So here it is 2. So we have allotted 1. So when you allot 1, you need to have 1 available so that to be deadlock free. Suppose you put another process. Suppose you have put process 6. Then I allot 1 also for the 6th process. Then all the resources will be exhausted, and all the process will be in what will be in waiting state, because it needs another resource to complete its process. Hence, when you have the maximum resources based on maximum resources and the maximum availability, you have to choose the number of processes so that you have some available ones so that you can finish off the other process. So this is how this sort of sums has to be done. So in this question, since maximum resource is 6 and the maximum requirement is 2, hence the maximum value of n for which the system will be deadlock free is 5. So friends, I hope this is clear to you. So based on the number of process and the number of resources maximum requirement, you have to choose the number of resources for questions like these. Okay friends, I hope this was useful to you. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment section. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, RGCS Revision Notes. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.